my YouTube channel Crypto Billionaire. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free Bitcoin to your Trustwallet account without any investment. And when I say investment, guys, I mean there is not going to be any investment from your own side. All you need to do is that is needed is just your free time and some dedication. And trust me, guys, there's a lot of money in this. So guys, if you are watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be updated on that. So guys, the name of the site in which I'm going to be showing you today is called zcash.xyz. It's called zcash.xyz. So guys, all you need to do is when you are in your browser, all you need to do is just you go to your browser, you type in zcash.xyz, as you can see it here, zcash.xyz. So guys, when you're on the site, and also I'm going to be dropping the referral link in the description box below. So when you click on the link, this is where it's going to be taking you to, and as you can see here, it's going to be showing you get started, and it's going to be showing you login. So guys, all you need to do is to click on get started to register a free account. And when you click on get started, guys, as you can see here, sign up is going to be telling you here, input your username, your email address, your password, then you confirm your password. Then you have to click on this I agree. You click on it, then you have to click on register, which is over here, and your account will be successfully registered. So guys, after registering your account, all you need to do is to sign in, as to log into your account. And as you can see, I already have my account over here. All you need to do is to solve this captcha over here. I'm not a robot. And when you click on it, it's going to be verifying that you are not a robot, as you can see here. And then you go ahead and click on login. So guys, when you click on login, you're going to be putting your email over here. So guys, when you click on login, and you'll be in the site, as you can see it over here. This is the amount of coins I've earned in a couple of minutes now. So guys, all you need to do to earn on this site, when you click on this arrow over here, when you click on the arrow, it's going to be showing you some ways in which you can earn on the site. By referrals, when you refer, you're going to be earning some commission from your referrals. Some links, when you click on links, and when you click on some links, you're going to be getting some percentage from clicking of links and all that. So that is how you're going to be earning on this, guys. And also you can also do faucets here, as you can see. If there are going to be any faucets they are going to be doing, all you just need to do, when you click on faucet, then you're going to be waiting for some seconds. So guys, after clicking on faucet, this is what is going to be showing you. As of now, we are ready to claim our free coins, and we are going to be claiming these coins every 2 minutes. And as you can see here, this is what we are going to be claiming, 50 coins every 2 minutes, and you can claim up to 100 times. As you can see it here, 100 claims left. So a day you can claim up to 100 times. So all you need to do is, as you can see over here, please click the anti-bot in the following order. 2 plus 3 is 5, so we're going to be looking for 5. As you can see it over here, you click on 5. The next one, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1, which is 2. So all you need to do after that, you click on collect your reward. Now when you click on collect your reward, it's going to be loading, and you're going to be given 50 coins. As you can see, guys, we have been rewarded. As you can see here, good job, 50 coins has been added to your balance. So guys, this is how to claim. Then you click on OK. Now to withdraw this, when you click on your dashboard, go back to your dashboard. So guys, when you are on your dashboard, as you can see, the 50 coins claim that's already been added. So guys, when you're on your dashboard, to withdraw from this site, so guys, when you are on your when you want to withdraw, when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing it over here, withdraw, and you withdraw to your faucet pay. So this is the amount of coin we've claimed in a couple of minutes now. So all you need to do is you input your email address in which you use in your faucet pay. Now when you input your email address, you come over here and click on the withdraw button. So guys, as you can see here, the minimum withdrawal is 5,000. It's 5,000 tokens for minimum withdrawal. So guys, when you've reached a minimum of 5,000 tokens over here, as you can see over here, in just a couple of minutes we've earned 430 coins. So when you've reached a minimum of 5,000 coins, then your coins is going to be sent directly to your faucet pay account, and from your faucet pay account you can send it directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, if you don't know how to create a faucet pay account, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box below, so you can create your faucet pay account. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be notified on that. Thanks for watching.